Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix laptop speakers not working while your headphones are working normally. If you can hear sound through your headphones but not through your laptop speakers, these steps may help fix the issue. So let's get started. First, right-click on the volume icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Sound Settings. Under Output, make sure your laptop speakers are selected instead of your headphones. Also make sure the volume is turned up. If the speakers are already selected, scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. Now open the Playback tab. Locate your laptop speakers from the list. If they are disabled, right-click on them and select Enable. Then right-click on them again and click Set as Default Device. Now press Apply and then OK. If the problem is still there, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Find your audio driver, such as Realtek Audio. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. If no update is found, right-click on the audio driver again and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall and then restart your computer. Windows should automatically reinstall the audio driver after restarting. Finally, open Settings and go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. You should also check Optional Updates and install any audio driver updates that are available. Once you have completed these steps, check if your laptop speakers are working again. So this is how you can fix laptop speakers not working while headphones are working. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.